Wow. 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 Bam, look at that. All right, what's up guys? This is day 3? I think so, right? Maybe? Yeah, day 3. Lunch is upon us and has arrived, and we are getting ready, or pretty much got ready for the H20, which is the underwater dining experience they have here at You And Me Maldives. This is pretty much the main attraction that people go to, and that's just why I'm dressed in my Zara. I usually don't wear this every day. So to some of y'all, Zara might be basic, some of you might think Zara is whatever, but to me, Zara is perfect for me. I don't know what the hell I'm saying. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna get the You And Me, and baby girl is getting ready. Look at she all glammed out right now. Look at all that shit, you know what I'm saying? She all pretty, you know what I'm saying, baby? But yeah, I'm gonna put some of the cinematic sequence right now, and we did some like pre-shoots with the Manta Villa that we're currently staying at right now, and here's a slideshow right now. Oh, and we're gonna do the OTID right now.
Welcome to our beautiful, fantastic, emotional fashion place. It's an honor to introduce Alessandro, that is in charge here, and they prepare for us a wonderful lunch, 5-course menu. Alessandro?
So once again, welcome to H20 Beverton. My name is Alessandro, I'm the chef resident. So the restaurant is located 350 meters away from the coast and 6 meters below. When you come to the service, your personal menu is placed on the table, and each course will be served when all the guests have been seated in the restaurant. Apart from that, you can reach the restaurant by the staircase or the elevator. If you're using the elevator, maximum 2 at a time.
Got it.
I wish you a lovely lunch.
Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Goodbye. Okay.
Cheers.
Let's try this one.
Cheers.
Cheers, baby.
Can you see it? There was
Yeah.
Oh, it's octopus.
Oh, that is octopus. It looks so weird, though. Ooh, that was so clear. Yeah, what are you gonna do next?
Thank you, buddy, for showing.
Dude, this guy's like right in front of me.
Oh my gosh, look at the eyes too.
The tentacles. Look at the tentacles just moving.
Oh.
This guy is literally.
That's a big one.
Or like 3 or 4 octopus, and the other one is like a baby octopus. So they will be like, around here.
What is this? Okay. Oh, thank you. Presentation looks nice. This is what it looks like. My shrimp tastes really good. Pretty good. Yeah.
You can see the shadow.
I'm just gonna eat this. Oh, dang. I think so slow, but I want to bite really quick. What do you mean mistake?
I know nobody misses.
Yeah, pretty much.
I'm just dyslexic. Oh, I
I'll put it on the next photo right here.
So the next one is the
Yeah.
oh, then we're gonna have to see that. Or you're gonna like to just read it up for
Hearts to play, to be taken, to be like a guitar. When the stars make it through, just like a basketball.
I really like the
Thank you. I like how the calamari is like very subtle. Sorry. Sorry. I disrupted their conversation. Oh, let me close it up. If I hit you, I'm so sorry. Okay, cool.
I'm taking so many pictures.
I know, we're hella spamming. Ooh, this guy came out of nowhere. That's good. Thank you. This sauce is pretty good.
Enjoy.
Thank you. So right now is day 3, sunset. I think this by far is probably the best sunset right now. Got a lot of dope shots, as you saw in the beginning. And I'll do some quick slideshow right now. But anyway, how do you feel about the sunset, baby?
I'm excited about it.
Yeah.
Because I think this is gonna be the best sunset that we've had in the entire trip.
Yeah, but yeah, that's the current situation right now. Just standing by. It looks promising right now because the little sun is about to go down right there. I don't know if you see it that from far away. But yeah, I'm gonna take some photos and here's the results right now. Whoa, look at that video. Looks so good. But yeah, I'm just chilling here on a Monday. Where's our checkout? So we thought we'd swim for a little bit, and well, I'm getting ridden on.
Look, baby.
I'm gonna try to sit down. Oh, I'm sitting down. Yeah.
Come here.
I'm like literally like a frog right now.
Ouch. No. Oh, baby, I'm sleeping.